Today we're installing a soft closing mechanism that's completely enclosed inside the track and allows the door to close by itself. This system is ideal if you want your sliding door to close silently and effortlessly behind you.
Yep.
You'll need to start by attaching your brackets to the wall and then sliding and fastening your track into place. Screw your top fixing door plates onto the top of the door at both sides. Then attach your nylon wheel door hanger to one of the door plates, followed by the soft close mechanism. Next, slide in and fix your soft close trigger. This is the part the soft door closer hits to activate it. Now it's time to slide your door into place. You can see here that it's not closing completely. The soft close trigger needs to be slightly adjusted. That's better. Now all you need to do is insert and fasten the track stop to keep the door from leaving the track. All done! Enjoy your soft closing door.